guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm feeling a little mischievous today. This video is not going to be nothing about RC cars. It's not going to be nothing about drones. It's just going to be me being an idiot. So I'll give you the story. My microwave in my house, it messed up. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's shooting lightning on the inside of it with nothing in it. And if you try to warm something, the plate on the side, just constant lightning bolts coming off of it. I've seen a lot of videos with microwaves on YouTube go viral. So I wanted to add an extra layer and step it up a notch. So I got a bad microwave and I got a bad Lipo. So I'm going to show you what the microwave's doing on its own first. And of course I'm going to have a fire extinguisher handy in case anything happens. And you guys should never try this at home. It's crazy and I'm just being an idiot. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what the microwave's doing first. On its own, it sparks and it's all messed up on its own. It's got some kind of short or something wrong with it. Because it's like sparking on the inside and even if there's no metal or nothing in it, it's messing up. So, and then after I show you guys that, then I'm going to put the Lipo in and turn it on for 2 minutes. And show you guys what that does. So here we go. Let me show you guys what I got going on, and then we're going to start zapping some stuff. Alright guys, so here's what I got going on. There's my fire extinguisher. I got it plugged in over here so I can get to it. If I need to unplug it, I can reach over there and unplug it. And out here we got the faulty microwave. There's something wrong with it. It's throwing sparks inside even when just cook food or just cook any basic thing. It's throwing sparks. It'll do it with nothing in there. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys what it's doing on its own, just by itself with nothing in it first. So here we go. There's the Lipo I'm going to throw in it in a minute. But first I'm just going to show you what it's doing on its own. Alright guys, you saw that. There was nothing in it. So that's a faulty microwave. There's something definitely wrong with it. And I'm just being an idiot, having some fun, seeing what it looks like in slow motion on the camera and on the computer and stuff. Just goofing off, make a cool video for you guys. Hopefully it looks good on the video. Let me know what you think down below. So now we're going to take it one notch stupider. This is a faulty Lipo battery. It's no good no more. It don't work. It's got a dead cell or something. I don't know, but it's bad. So now I'm going to put this faulty Lipo in the microwave and turn it on. Here we go.
Come, let's find out. My intuition. light on fire. I'm gonna end it there.
Alright guys, let's see what this thing looks like. So this is what a battery looks like. This is what it looks like when you microwave a faulty lipo with a faulty battery. Or, yeah, microwave a faulty lipo with a faulty microwave. Hard to find my words there. Yeah, this is what it looks like when you microwave a lipo that's faulty with a faulty microwave. It didn't really do nothing but cook the cords. The inside of it still is hot. It might still puff up. Could still erupt. See if we can't get this lipo to burst into flames or something, guys. I think it's too dead. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. It didn't turn out as good as I wanted. Didn't get no eruptions or nothing like that, but it fried the wires on it anyway. But that's going to be the end of the video. This one's called A Faulty Microwave, Microwaving a Faulty Lipo. And as you see, I mean, it didn't cause nothing major, but you still wouldn't want to mess around with it. Like if it was a stronger lipo, it could have erupted inside of there. So anyway guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, leave me a like and let me know what you thought down in the comments.